So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to view screen time on your device. So let's get started. So let's open it. Now see, this is the inbox of your settings, and scroll down and find apps available on the bottom of your screen. So tap on it. Then scroll down below and you will see the option of screen time. So tap on it. Now see, this is your screen time, and scroll down below. From here you can see how many minutes or hours you have spent on the apps, like this. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.